did closed or fierce composing deserve to have worth or praise, since it was made for selling against the sweet little tunes. Graceful just as I set them down, and easy to learn with fair, clear words and nobly enclosed. For to make understanding, one need not struggle too much. For ladies take such capital among the faithful, and the false ones make love descend. But it is not fitting that I blame them, nor do I dare at all, in whole or in part, to stretch toward their harm. For she who holds me in repose makes me defend the wrongs that I see many lovers receive. All that my lady wishes, I wish, and all that pleases her I welcome in peace, without rancor. And if ever I spoke pride toward ladies, now I withdraw from it and turn myself to measure. And a lover who is of such a school conquers the joy that endures for him if he settles in a good place. For I love her more than I used to, and I endure worse for it than I grieve more for it, because she takes no care for it, since elsewhere I do not betake myself, and beside her I undress myself, naked without clothing. I hold so much of a rich lordship that good fortune cannot make me lack. I do not know through what crafts ladies love nights if love scorns me. I do not wish to boast otherwise, for he seems less truthful who vaunts all his goods. So I wish more willingly to speak courtly pride than base truth.